Are you stuck with an Amazon store name that doesn't quite fit your brand? Or maybe you never realized you could actually change it in the first place. In this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Amazon store name and some things that you need to be careful of which could get you suspended. Now, you might be asking, does my store name need to be my company name? And the answer is no. Your store name can be anything you want it to be, and it does not have to reflect or even be part of your company name or anything to do with it. How often can I actually change my store name? And the answer is as many times as you like, and Amazon has no limit on that. Can I set different store names, for example, in different marketplaces, in the UK, USA, Mexico, or Canada? And the answer is yes. You can have a different store name in each marketplace. Do stay to the end, because I'm going to share with you in a minute how to change the store name, but also as well, I'm going to share with you some things that if you get it wrong about your store name will get your account suspended and potentially get you shut down. So you've got to get this right. So let's talk through now how to change your store name. So you might be asking, what is the store name that we can actually change? Well, whenever you jump onto an Amazon listing, you're going to see down here it says sold by. That is the store name that all the customers see. Now, you can change this name to whatever you want it to be, and that's really easy to do. And if you were to click on that and go into the seller's profile, you'll see the store name up here, and that's what you're able to change. But what you can't change is the seller or detailed seller information down here. That is the detailed information about your business, and that cannot be changed unless you actually change that and update that to Amazon. But what we're changing right now is this store name up here. First of all, log into your Amazon Seller Central. And for me, I'm logged in already. Now, don't worry about the red signs. This is just an account which I use for demonstrations. We're going to come up to the settings up here, and we're going to go to account information. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is just come down to store information right here. So this is going to load up the information about your store. Now you're going to come over to seller profile, and it's going to give you a list of all of the marketplaces you're on. So for example, Amazon Italy, and it's going to give you your store name. Now for me, I'm just going to do quality prices or quality products, great prices too, and I'll click submit. And that's going to actually say update there. And then what I can do is just go back to seller profile, and you can see here it's now been updated. Now, when I load that up, it's going to update within Amazon, and you'll see that it may take like 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes a while. Just be mindful. One of the biggest problems I see within Amazon right now is finding profitable products. Everyone talks about it, and what's the one thing that you can do right now that's going to change the game? It's finding those suppliers where they are selling profitable products. You can buy low to resell high for a profit. That is why I put together my top 100 suppliers for the USA and for the UK in a downloadable link down below called my top suppliers list. You can get it today for free, and it's going to help you level up your game and find those profitable products. Now, I did say earlier on that there's going to be one thing that you're going to be able to do, but if you do it, it will get your account suspended. Now, I got this information from my good friend Chris from Clear the Shelf, so thank you to Chris for that. What do you need to do? So just be mindful, you can actually do this, and you can update your name right now and do this, and Amazon are not going to stop you, but they could just ban your account one day, so do not do it. So what is it? Do not put the word Amazon in the name or something similar to that, because it may get your account banned, just like Chris said in this tweet. This information is useful, but it's completely pointless if you don't actually know how to sell on Amazon. And that's why you should check out this video, and I'll drop it around here, which shows you exactly what you should be selling on Amazon to be making money. So check it out now, and that's going to help you level up your Amazon game.